Hello, class. I decided to create a couple of videos to help with your homework assignment. So here's a video to help with the first couple of problems from your 1-4 homework set. A blank is a numerical summary of a sample. A blank is a numerical summary of a population. So the way I remember this is the answers, the word sample starts with an S and population starts with a P. So I think of this as the statistic is a numerical summary of a sample. And notice how statistic and sample both start with the letter S. And a parameter is a numerical summary of a population. And notice how they both start with a P. That kind of helps me remember. P with the P and the S with the S. I check answer, and I get the good job. Next question. So we have to determine if the underlined value is a parameter or a statistic. So it says a survey of 1,011 people aged 50 or older. 73% agreed with the statement, I believe in life after death. So you have to ask yourself, is this a population or a sample? So when you think about the people that are aged 50 or older, there's probably more than 1,011. So this 1,011 is a sample of people aged 50 or older, and it says 73% agreed with the statement. So I'm going to say this is a statistic because the 1,011 people of age 50 or older are a sample. Check answer, we get the good job. Next, we're asked to determine if the variable is qualitative or quantitative. So remember, quantitative is something I can quantify with like a number. How much did something cost? How far did somebody run? How fast is someone driving? Qualitative is more of like a description. So it says the variable is qualitative because it's a numerical measure. Well, favorite film is not a numerical measure. But I could say the variable is qualitative because it is an attribute characteristic, right? So let's check our answer, and we get the good job. Next, it says determine whether the variable is qualitative or quantitative. So your favorite musical instrument. Again, this is not something I can quantify, so it's going to be qualitative, and because it's an attribute characteristic, right? Favorite. Here we go. Number 5, determine whether the variable is discrete or continuous. Okay. So discrete is something we can count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuous is uncountable, right? There's infinite possibilities. So the number of words in a song is discrete, right? So if you give me a song, I can count the number of words, okay? Next one. Determine whether the quantitative variable is discrete or continuous. Okay, so the distance between sides of a street. So I selected it's continuous because it's not countable, right? So the distance between the sides of a street, you know, you could have 20 feet 5 inches, 20 feet 0.502 inches, 20 feet 0.503 inches. There's an infinite amount of values. So I know it seems like you could just pull out a tape measure and measure the distance, but that street can have any value in terms of width. So it's continuous. It is not countable.